Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Liman, and in today's video we're gonna talk about what happened after US CIS approves your petition for I-29F, which is K1 visa. For mine, I have a spouse, but even I filed I-29F because it took so long, and I filed I-29F. But when I filed it, they really quick. They approved my I-130, so I did not finish the process of I-29F. So I want to share this video because a lot of people are asking about it. So once USCIS approves your petition, they will send it to NVC. I mean the I-29F. They will send it to NVC for processing. NVC will receive your case. They will create your login information. But before they send it to you, they have to process your case. It's gonna take from 1 week to 6 weeks. After they finish the processing, they're gonna send you a welcome letter, which is right here. Same thing. This is just an example. They're gonna tell you that NVC received your petition. I approved petition I-29F from USCIS, and VC now will forward the petition to US Embassy or Consulate in your country. And the US Embassy or Consulate will contact your fiancé when they are ready to process the petition, his or her petition. So this welcome letter right here, they're not gonna send it to you until they process your case. Even when they receive it from a USCIS, it does not happen in 1 day. It takes weeks, from 1 week to 6 weeks. So they will, when they do that, they will send you this welcome letter, which include the case number, which is the very important element in this letter. USCIS receipt number, which you have in, which you will have right here, receipt number, and principal applicant and the petitioner, and the interview location that you put in the application. In this example, it's gonna be Manila. It's Philippines. So once you receive this case number, the first thing you're gonna do every single day is checking the status of your status of your visa. You're gonna go to US Department of State visa status check. You're gonna go and check for visa application type. You're gonna select non-immigrant visa because there is two: immigrant visa and non-immigrant visa. And then you're gonna select the country. I'm gonna select an example, Morocco, just an example, Casablanca. And then you're gonna enter your case number. And then when you enter the case number, they're gonna give you enter the code below. They're gonna show you a code, just the characters that you're gonna enter below, and then submit. The first thing when you receive the case number is gonna show at NVC or in transit. Sometimes at NVC, sometimes in transit to consulate. You keep checking every single day. When you see it is ready, then that's the time to act. But embassy will send you a notification, but it will be better if you check every single day. Once the visa status check says ready, it's time to create your profile. If you go right here, if you see it right here, you can create a profile right here. Right here, if you see it, after logging into your profile, create one before you do that, because you will need it to schedule an interview, to do a lot of stuff, schedule a medical exam, to do a lot of stuff. You will need your profile. So first thing you do is pay fee. It's $265. So, and you have some options, fee payment options. You have a cash at the bank. You can pay by credit card. Cash bank, for example, in Morocco, is you can pay at Bank Popular Bank, but the other countries, they have a different banks. So you can pay cash, but before you do that, as I said, you gotta create your profile and take with you and print and carry the applicable US visa fee collection slip available after logging into the profile. They tell you right here. So you will need that to take with you to the bank. After you pay the fees, as I said, you have options: by credit card or cash. So when you do that, you're gonna take the slips to the bank and pay your fee if you take a cash. After you do that, Now it's time to schedule your medical exam. Your medical exam, you must talk to embassy or consulate and see what doctors they have in their list. You cannot have a medical exam in any doctor you want. They have a list of accredited physicians that they use to get the medical exam. So do not just pick one because you want to. It has to be accredited by embassy or consulate. Now you should schedule your interview. It's the same thing. As I said, you're gonna go to your profile. Now it's time to schedule the interview. When you schedule an interview, go ahead. After that, right away, file. You're gonna start filing day 60. Day 60, you just go online. If you check it, if you go online, just type day 60. It's gonna take you to day 60. Or you can go to your profile. You will find as well. They're gonna check where you can find day 60. Now, when you do all this, you will need this required document for the applicant. So you will need, when you file this 260, you must print the confirmation page because you will need it when you go to your interview. You must bring it to your interview. Passport valid for travel, not expired. You will need that as well. Birth certificate, divorce or death certificate, police certificate, medical exam. We did talk about that. Sometimes medical exam, what happens? Sometimes they send it to the consulate or embassy. Sometimes you have to carry with you to the embassy or consulate. Evidence of financial support. You must file I-134. That's the petitioner side, though. You must file that one. We're gonna talk about the petitioner side. 2x2 photographs and evidence of relationship. Sometimes the consulate officer will ask you for pictures and a lot of stuff that you have to establish the relationship between you and the petitioner, and the payment of fee. You're gonna take the slips with you, so you gotta make a copy and take the slips with you. From a petitioner side, you need I-134. You must file I-134. That's financial support, evidence of financial support. Also, you will need pay stubs for last 3 months and the tax return for the last 3 years, recent years, and W-2s and 1099. So you will need all this for your interview date. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in the next video.